It is time for spring cleaning part 2. So this year for spring cleaning, I didn't do this last year, but I'm definitely doing it this year. I already did upstairs. I'm gonna do it downstairs probably today or tomorrow. I took everything out of all of the cabinets. Like upstairs, everything came out from all my bathroom cabinets and drawers, and I threw some things away and kept other things, reorganized stuff, and thought to myself, I haven't used that in forever, and you should probably get rid of it. So I did. And I cleaned it out, cleaned the walls, cleaned the ceiling, cleaned the back, put everything back in an organized way. It was just fantastic. As soon as I walked into the bathroom the next time, it was like the next morning, so I did it late at night. I walked in the next morning and I opened the cabinets and I was just rushed with this flutter of clear. It was clarity and it was just so beautiful. And so now I'm gonna do that downstairs. Oh, hello, baby. I'm gonna do that downstairs, probably today or tomorrow. And the reason why this is part of my second spring cleaning is we talked the first time about getting rid of energy that's stuck. Well, things in our possession that do not necessarily have a purpose and that only sit there day by day and collect dust, they're also taking up space inside of us that is not needed. It's where something else could fill its place. Sometimes I've thrown away old clothes, things I've held on to for like 10, 15 years that still fit me, but I rarely ever wear them once a year, once every couple of years. And I'll throw them away and then I'll be out shopping like a week or so later and I'll find something that I love on sale that I end up wearing all the time. And so it's just one of those points that we have to let go of the old to bring in the new. So we did the energy. Now we're doing physical objects that are also, again, energy. And the third one, I haven't decided what that third spring cleaning is about. Fourth spring cleaning is going to be more of a spring affirming. We're going to talk about affirmations we can give ourselves through which ritual to help all this cleanliness move forward. Cleanliness moving forward is good for us. Cheers. And I hope you guys enjoyed the Him Kesha dance video, because after doing that video, it took me about 3 hours to do that. And that includes record time, downloading to the computer, editing through. It was like 3 hours, so I think I'll get better at it. I'm gonna start making videos like that, not only for myself and for my YouTube channel, but I'm also about to do that for people that, if they're dancers or movement people, people that do gymnastics or martial arts, I want to start making videos like for senior projects when everyone's graduating high school or college and putting things together and giving to them as a presentation of just, it's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. And so, yeah, here we are. Take everything out. Get rid of what you don't need. Clean all of it, including and the things that you took out, clean them off before you put them back in. Like I took all my DVDs off their case and I cleaned the whole case out, and then I cleaned each DVD case before I went back inside because it had dust on it. Like dust is basically just like skin cells and dead mold and bacteria and things that are just like sitting around your house that you're rebreathing in. I mean, do we really want to inhale our own skin cells? Skin cells? Oh God. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna go back and save our test. L to the 5th.